Okay, welcome back. Then we move on to number two. Okay, create tables and figures using the caption tool. Okay, it means Microsoft Word would like automatically number the tables and figures. Okay, that is needed so that Microsoft Word can later automatically create a list of contents and list of figures so that we don't need to manually type these two lists. But unfortunately for the list of abbreviations, no shortcuts actually. So let's open a blank Word file, and then I would first have, I must first sort out let me do this table of contents, which we would do later under discussion part 3, but I must first have Times News Romans, font size 12, 1.5, spacing. Okay, this I can align in the middle. And then, okay, only in the next video, I will create a list of the table of contents. Then the next one is insert page break. This is the table or a list of tables. Okay, list of tables. And then the next one, list of figures. Okay, and then next one, list of abbreviation. As I said before, this one no shortcut, we need to do manual typing. So I can give you an example. So maybe GDP is gross domestic product. Stats, SA stands for statistics South Africa. Okay. Maybe RSA stands for Republic of South Africa. Okay, so let's say I'll create 3 for now. Okay. Okay, so in other words, in the main text, when you type the word gross domestic product for the first time, then you put GDP in brackets. And then for the remainder of the research essay, you can use the abbreviation GDP. Okay. Similarly, you can type in the main text, you type the words Republic of South Africa once, then in brackets, you put RSA, and then for the remainder of the document, you can just type the abbreviation RSA. Okay. And then I need to insert the page numbers. This time I want to use the Roman letters format, insert page numbers. First of all, I need to indicate, put at the bottom of the page. Currently, it still gives me the numbers 1, 2, and 3. I want to change it to insert page numbers, format page numbers, change it to this 1, 2, 3. Start at 1. Okay. 1. Table of contents, that's page 1. Page 2, list of tables. Page 3, list of figures. Page 4, list of abbreviation. Then I will insert session break so that I can move on to my main text, or maybe let's say my chapter 1 of the research essay. Page layout, breaks, session breaks. So later this would be my chapter 1 introduction. Then I will have my subsessions. It would be 1.1 introduction. Then I'm going to type some text. Due to the time constraint, I'm not going to type the paragraph. 1.2, maybe research objectives. Okay. 1.3 would be structure of the study. So there will be a paragraph discussing what I'm going to do in the next few chapters. Okay, and then for the main text, I want to have the page numbers using the normal numbers, 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay, let me copy, insert page numbers, format page numbers. So it would rather be the normal 1, 2, and 3. I want to start with number 1. Okay, so let's say this is my chapter 1. I insert page break. So that is my chapter 2, for example. Okay. Let me fix these things a bit later, okay, on chapter 2. Let me create maybe 3 chapters. Insert. So this is my chapter 3. Let's say this is methods and data. So chapter 2 should be my literature review. Okay. Okay. You see page 2, 3, etc. Now I want to go back to the questions. Okay. Insert tables and figures using the caption tool. So maybe let's say they all appear in chapter. Actually, yeah, chapter 3 is just, for example, chapter 3.2. It could be my methods. Let's say I insert something. Okay, a table. Okay. Okay, I'm not. Let me just randomly put some tags or numbers. Okay. Okay, and then reference, insert caption, table. Then you see Microsoft Word would realize that it is the first table in the Word file. So it automatically gives a number, table 1. Okay, I would say maybe a list of variables to be included in the regression, for example. But I need to do some formatting here. Now it looks like blue color. It should be Times New Romans 12. Font size is black. I need to change the line spacing back to 1.5. So this is table 1. Maybe let's say I also, so this is my 3.3, maybe under data, I also insert another table. I could say, oh, I must first go to reference, insert caption. You see, Microsoft Word realized it is the second table. Okay, so table 2. So I would randomly say, what kind of table? It can be frequency of income and expenditure survey taking place. Let me once again sort this out. It should be Times New Romans 12, 1.5 spacing. Then let me randomly insert something. So this can be survey year IES. So it happened in 1995. The next one happened in 2000. September to 2006 August. Then the last one. So that happens between 2010 September to 2011 August. Oops, I made an error. Then IES 2015 to 16. So it started from September here to 2016 August. Okay, so I don't need this row. Let's just do some plastic surgery. Year. Okay, let's say 2 tables involving the caption. Okay. Then maybe I also randomly insert 2 figures, let's say on the next page, still under chapter 3. So reference, insert caption. This time it is a figure. So Microsoft Word automatically picks up, it should be the first figure. Okay, so let me insert the same 2 figures as I did in the previous video. So this is a happy man holding the selfie stick. Okay, trying to take a selfie photo. Okay. Let me rotate rightwards. And then again, the formatting. I can use Format Painter actually. Format Painter, then I paint it here, that it will gives me the same Times New Roman black fonts, 1.5 spacing. And then the last one, I also go to reference, insert caption, figure 2. I remember it is called Never Stop Exploring. Okay, I can use the format painter. Okay, so insert picture. Okay, the never stop exploring photo. Okay, so I've got two figures appearing on page 4, two tables appearing on page 3. So now I can create the list of tables and list of figures. I think I already explained the caption thing. I explained how to manually type the list of abbreviation. No shortcut, unfortunately. So now I go back to this table of contents. I will leave it until the next video. List of tables. Oopsie. What's happening here? Okay, list of tables. So, okay, it should be under reference. Insert tables of figures. Is it this one? Yeah, including a list of figures, tables, or equation in the document. Insert tables of figures. So just next to insert caption, which we used in the first 10 minutes. So I want to do a list of tables. I need to tell Microsoft Word, okay, I want a list of tables. Then do you see the expected outcome? It will give me a list of tables, table 1, table 2, etc. and the page numbers where the table appears. Okay, makes sense. Both tables appear on page 3 in this hypothetical example. And again, you want to do some formatting because it should be Times New Roman, font size 12, 1.5 line spacing. Okay, got it? And then you can control click the link. It would lead me to the location or the whereabouts of the tables. Okay, so indeed correct, both tables appear on page 3. Then similarly, I can do the list of figures actually. Reference, insert tables of figures. Then this time I want a list of figures. Okay, you see this is the expected outcome. Yes, show the page numbers. Yes, correct. Both figures appear on page 4. So the last thing I need to do is the plastic surgery against Times New Roman, font size 12, 1.5 spacing. Then again, I click Control, click to follow the link. Then it takes me to page 4 where I can find the two figures. Okay. So I think I covered the second topic. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do in the next video, table of contents. Okay. Okay, session break I actually cover already. Chapter titles I need some formatting on the session subsession titles. Okay, before I can create a list, the table of contents. So I will see you in the next video.